As a married couple, do you sometimes sleep in separate rooms, just so you can both get better sleep? Last week, we had a huge fight. We had a heated argument till 3 in the morning, and I was super mad at him, so I went into the living room just to have some sleep. I tried sleeping for a while, turning back and forth on our couch. My watch said it's 4 a.m., but I was still unable to sleep. My hubby snores very lightly when he is asleep, and unknowingly, I got used to it. It was way too quiet out here. That's when I figured out I just can't sleep without him snoring by my side. Man, I got more pissed, but since I was the one who furiously came to sleep in the living room, I hesitated to go back. Then I thought, let's get up and go inside. It was 4 a.m. As soon as I woke up from the couch, there he was standing beside me. He said, "Come sleep inside. I am unable to sleep without you turning back and forth by my side. Let's continue our fight in the morning, but please come back to bed now." I smiled and hugged him and told him that I can't sleep either without him snoring by my side. We both looked at each other, laughed for a while, and went inside our room, and within minutes, fell asleep.